I'm
hacking.
terrified.
Always look down the barrel of your gun. Otherwise you won't overload him.
So, hello. Actually,
Heck.
wait. I'm already holding it wrong. Okay. Hold it this way for the entire trip. Basically, we're about to leave. Kinda. So, the trip has started, officially. Silas is on his way. Fucking bit of a problem. I was cleaning my glasses, right? You notice I don't have any glasses on right now. I was cleaning my glasses and the nose piece, like it basically just broke off. So I don't have glasses, and this is happening 5 minutes or so before the trip happens. My glasses snap, so that's cool. I have sunglasses over here. Those are the only, like with prescription. That's about it. I'm just gonna look really cool. I'm just gonna be really cool this entire trip. Fucking god damn it. Ugh. Oh, I can see fine without glasses, it's fine. It's just a little bit blurry, which I'll live with. But yeah, that's it. That's that. That's fucking... Right, so, we're about to leave. Silas is finally here. Say hello, Silas. But yeah, Silas is, basically, I let him into my shed to just look around for a bit. He fucking cleaned up he's after cleaning up all my shit. All my mess is gone now. What have you done? He folded my sheets. What is wrong with you? Do you want to vandalize?
Yeah, bring these brake down with it.
Cool, okay, we're vandalizing. It's official.
Yeah.
Alright. Right, so we're just finished packing. This is all... Oh, fuck. So basically, it just goes up to the seats. We have enough stuff, I think. We can drive now. God, it's so hot. Please open the window.
Oh no, you're locked inside here with me.
Oh.
You ain't going anywhere.
Bruzler.
Dinner.
We're buying a gun.
This shit's coming with me. I have a new mode of homicide now.
Oh, Lego friends!
I don't want friends. Why would I hate people? I don't need this shit.
Fucking see ya, bye. Yo, I need this. Can I have it?
I don't know what to say to that.
It's a unicorn. Yeah, that's life.
In the vehicle's the high-speed car section.
It's
a high-speed fucking unicorn.
Maybe it's a high-speed vehicle, I don't know.
With a pellet. Just to reinforce, my rules, my discipline. And also just for a sadistic pleasure as well. I think it's just gonna be generally fun just to shoot someone in the face every time with a gun. I can see now why murderers exist. I'm already hard. Okay.
I'm fucking terrified.
Always look down the barrel of your gun. Otherwise you won't overload him. One in the low body in the second car.
We got two white vans in front of us.
The other one's making meth, and the other one's kidnapping military.
Yeah, one's for one sells ice cream and the other one sells meth.
Both are the exact same size because they're both transports for TEIs. Literally looked at the same vehicle. they're the identical vehicle. Boy, we're going home back to South Carolina, dude.
It's so fucking shaky.
Shake that.
Fuck.
As you can see, this is all legal.
Yep.
Wait, I feel like this is a walking path.
Yeah, we're in a car.
Go over this spot here.
Just on the grass. Swear to God, we're gonna get stuck.
Ah.
Yeah, no, we're not, I don't think we're supposed to be here.
Does it not go further?
Uh-oh.
Come on, it has to go further. You have to be able to get further than that.
Ooh, I wouldn't risk it. You might get stuck in a random hole.
That's how far we made it. Yay!
Look at that.
It will be worth it when we get to the end.
Going swimming.
It's beautiful! Come on into the water!
No! I'm in. I'm in the water.
You make little rings in the water. 1 second. As you can see, that failed completely.
I think it worked.
Give me a hug.
No. Oh, fuck that.
Come on.
No. Leave me alone. So dumb. Ugh. Huh? Can't see shit. Be free!
Oh, Daddy! Get that. You have to go and get that now.
Watermelon. Tree melon.
Melon.
Alright, so Silas was saying there's a sign of some sort that's gonna be to our right in a minute.
Look to your right, you missed it already.
I missed it. What? Why? What does that sign mean again? I forgot.
And that sign, it means avoid the big red UFO.
What?
Here comes the sun, here comes the sun, I say it's alright. Little darling, it's been a long, cold, lonely winter. Little darling, it feels like years since it's been here. Here comes the sun, here comes the sun, I say it's alright.
I don't know what this is. I don't get it. You got it? You do shadow puppets. Do some shadow puppets. What the fuck? Amazing. Fire. So this is our campsite right now. This is it. This is the campsite. We put a big ass tarp at the top, so because it's gonna rain tonight. It's gonna rain for a while after this. This is the last good weather we're probably going to see. Did we just made this out of nothing? All that shit was in our car. It's kind of mad. Kind of crazy.
Luke, I am your father.
Or not. Right. Yo, that's sick.
Easy beer.
Does it damage the ring at all?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Oh fuck, well. We're just chilling. Our campsite. Wings, we got chicken wings, we just made those, we got about 8 and we're fucking hungry. And we got a little pot here. And it just really just reminds me of Breath of the Wild or Tears of the Kingdom. It's so tiny, this is Breath of the Wild shit.
get some more. I actually can do this a little bit better. Should we set up a full drum kit?
You're gonna make a fast jump step.
My milkshake brings the boss to the yard. Stupid.
Got a little Coke setup. Don't we, Silas?
Yo. We do indeed.
Yes.
We're gonna snort this entire tobacco.
What?
What?
Oh, I'm filming a drug making. Whoops. Yo, alright. So I'm, oh, wait. Oh, that's Zoom. Okay. So a lot of shit happened. I haven't done an update in a bit because just shit's been happening ever since last night, really. Alright, I talk quite a bit here, so, here's the main gist of what has happened. Silas's car broke down, so the video is cut short. But yeah, that's the end of the trip now. Subscribe, click the things, click them now, do it, click them now, do it.